Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Tuesday, December the 7th, 2010, and like we do every night, it's time to look at the market, so check it out. Okay, today we're going to be looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, but you could run this analysis on just about any chart out there other than the Hang Seng Index. If you look at the FTSE, it's pretty strong compared to the U.S. markets today, but if you're looking at the BSE, the Dow Jones, the S&P, the Nasdaq, or the Russell, they're all going to be looking the same right here, looking like they're rolling over short term to pull back. But as long as this low point here remains intact, in other words, price activity doesn't fall below this line right here, then the pullback will only be consolidation upon previous resistance. Here was the resistance point, ran up here, all right, ran up here, got shot down, here you go, made a new high, now you're pulling back, bouncing along right there, consolidation, okay? You can bounce along all in here all you want, but the bulls are going to stay in control of this trend as long as they keep price activity above this low point, all right? These points are marked on our free website at perfectstockalert.com, and they remain in the bullish trend until that low point is taken out. That means any pullback in here, people are going to use them as buying opportunities, anticipating higher highs yet to come, all right? There's only one thing that can take this market down, in my opinion. The only thing that can stop or supersede all the stimulus going on here in the U.S., which is driving prices of stocks higher, the only thing that can supersede that is a Europe credit crisis. For a thing to blow up over there, that would get everybody's attention, and it's the only time, the only thing that's actually driven this rally lower is during that fear over there. Whenever you had the Greece issue going on, all that drove it down. When you had couple weeks ago, the news out of Ireland, and that started driving it down. But right now they've got it shelved again. So as long as that is not a problem, you would remain in the bullish uptrend as long as price stayed above this point. Okay, pretty simple, pretty easy. Okay, here we are looking at the Nasdaq. This is basically the same chart as what we just looked at. The low point here is where you want to keep this stop. As long as price activity remains above this point, you remain in a bullish uptrend here, and that would mean any pullback here is going to find previous resistance acting as support, all right? So any weakness that you get is going to just bounce along in that area, and it's going to be bought up as people expect this to move back to the upside again, all right? Okay, a quick look here at the BSE index, the India Bombay Stock Exchange. For those of you who are trading over there, you can see that you've been in this bullish trend here. Note the higher highs, right, higher lows. You guys just trending upward here. Finding resistance at this trend line, and then you had a breakout right here, all right, which turns the resistance into support. So when you bounced up here and you pulled back down, the previous resistance became support, and that's what you bounced off of. All right, so any pullback here is likely to continue to find support here unless something new develops out there in the world markets. I don't expect this guy to break down now, so any pullback here would just be an opportunity to be a buyer as well. This remains the story that you're going to be seeing in the U.S., on BSE, and the FTSE, so forth and so on. Everything is still in a bullish uptrend at the moment, and unless those low points are taken out, which are marked on our website at perfectstockler.com, unless those low points are taken out, the trend would remain up. Now, we do see a lot of opportunities in this market for trading to the long side, but we're just using tight stops on all of our positions so that if the market began selling off viciously or something of that nature, we just be stopped at real quick. So that's what we're doing and how we're trading to the upside. We've been doing that for the past couple of weeks. We still see good opportunities out there. You can get those on our free website at perfectstockalert.com. It's 100% free. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. You can check out our video alerts as well. We post opportunities every single night. All right, pretty cool, pretty easy. A quick look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer, read it and weep. God bless, take care, and I will see you in the next video.